Watch this video for the hottest and latest story, make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na PidginToriGlobal be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter today gist. Israel don talk say their air force get full control over Tehran sky 4 days after they begin bomb Iran. Dem carry out more airstrikes overnight, and Iranian news talk say fresh attacks happen for western Iran on Monday. Iran still dey fire back overnight. Dem throw plenty missiles enter Israel. Some even pass Israel Iron Dome defense. Number of people wey don die for Israel since Friday don reach 24. Iran own health ministry talk say Israeli attacks kill at least 224 people since Friday, but news media no fit confirm wetin dey happen inside Iran because the government no gree make dem report from there. Israel begin bomb Iran on Friday, target nuclear and military places plus areas where people dey live. Iran come reply with drones and ballistic missiles, whereas report from 3 US officials tell reporters say Donald Trump reject one plan from Israel to kill Iran supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. World leaders wey gather for G7 meeting for Canada don agree say the Iran-Israel matter na the #1 thing wey dem go talk about. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz talk say the G7 go drop statement wey go beg both countries to calm down but still support Israel right to defend theirself. The wahala start after Israel carry out attack on Iran. Even though the G7 leaders no too support the fight, dem still no quick condemn Israel for the move. For now, wetin dey clear be say dis matter go dey front and center for dis G7 summit. Iran Chief Justice Galamusin Mohseni Ejeh don talk say anybody wey dem catch for say e dey work for Israel go face quick trial and punishment because of the war wey dey go on. One man, Israel Fitri, wey Iran say be Mossad spy, don already face execution for say e give secret info to Israel. Iran media also report say police for Alborz province don arrest 2 other people wey dem suspect say they get link to Mossad. Ejeh talk say everything go happen sharp as the law allow because of the current war tension. Poland don talk say dem dey plan to move about 200 of their people wey still dey Israel, mostly tourists and short-stay visitors. Deputy Foreign Minister Moskika Dendis talk say the evacuation go happen soon and dem go pass through Amman, the capital of Jordan. She talk say everything go ready within the next few dozen hours. One serious attack wey happen for Minnesota early Saturday don lead to the death of State Rep Melissa Hotman and injury of Senator John Hoffman. Governor Tim Walz call am politically motivated assassination. Police don arrest the suspect, Vance Luther Bolter, after dem catch am for bush near Green Isle, Sibley County. Dem say na the biggest manhunt ever for the state as plenty police team join body to track am. Melissa Hotman and her husband Mark die for their house for Brooklyn Park, while John Hoffman and him wife Yvette survive but dem carry bullet wounds. Dem do surgery and dem dey hospital dey recover. Bolter, wey dress like police with badge, vest and taser and all, use fake emergency vehicle enter people house. When police reach Hotman house around 3:55 a.m, the man come outside, shoot, run go back inside and escape with leg. Earlier by 2 a.m, police don first respond to Hoffman house for Champlain after report of gunshots. Na from there the connection to Hotman own come out. President Trump and other leaders don condemn the attack. Senator Amy Klobuchar talk say na attack on democracy itself. Bolter dey custody as investigation dey go on. One 57-year-old police officer don die after person shoot am for North Morton, one rural area near Ulverstone, Tasmania. The matter happen on Monday morning as the officer go serve court-approved warrant to repossess house. Court-approved warrant to repossess house. According to Tasmania police, as the officer dey waka from im car go front of the house, one man man open fire shoot am. Im colleague quickly respond, shoot di suspect for hand and call for backup. Di suspect later surrender and dem carry am go hospital. Police Commissioner Donna Adams tok say di officer wey die na correct man wey don serve community for 25 years. She say di kind tin wey happen na serious shock as dem dey always hope say every officer go fit go home after shift. Dem never release di officer name as some family members never hear di sad news. The commissioner still praised the second officer for how he handled the matter under pressure. Dem don open investigation into the case and well-being support dey for people wey the incident affect. Tasmania Premier Jeremy Rockliff called the killing heartbreaking tragedy and send love to the officer family and im colleagues. Shootings like this no dey happen often for Australia, especially after dem ban many guns since 1996 Port Arthur massacre. Investigations don recover the cockpit voice recorder CVR from the Air India plane wey crash last week Thursday for Ahmedabad, India. Dis na one big step to help dem find out wetin cause the crash wey kill at least 270 people. The Boeing 7878 Dreamliner dey go London before e crash small time after takeoff. The CVR dey record everything wey happen for inside the cockpit, including wetin the pilots talk, alarms and background sound. Dem don already find the flight data recorder FDR since Friday. The two recorders together na wetin people dey call black box even though dem actually be bright orange in color. These two gadgets go help experts understand how the flight take end and wetin really go wrong. India Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau AAIB dey lead the investigation and dem get help from US and UK officials. India Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau AAIB dey lead the investigation and dem get help from UK and US officials. US Safety Board NTSB, Boeing people and the FAA don visit the crash site already, whereas Indian government don set up big committee to check wetin cause the accident. The committee go do first meeting on Monday and submit early report within 3 months. Dem go also suggest new safety rules to avoid future crashes. As all of this one dey go on, families of victims still dey mourn and dey recover from the pain. For Barcelona, tourists dey plenty sotey residents don begin protest. On Sunday, people march for street, shout, make tourists go home, even spray water for some wey dey relax for cafe. Dem paste stickers for big stores too, say tourists no dey welcome. Even though tourism dey important to Spain economy and Barcelona na hotspot, locals don dey complain say rent don skyrocket because of Airbnbs and cruise ships. One woman, Marina, carry placard wey read say, "Your Airbnb na my home before." Dem say dem no wan cancel tourism completely but make e reduce to normal level. Last year alone, 15 million people visit the city, almost 10 times the population. Because of all these complaints, authorities don announce say by 2028, dem go ban short-term rentals to tourists. That one go affect about 10,000 landlords wey dey rent to tourists. But some people like Jesus Pereda wey get 2 tourist apartments no gree. E say dem no issue new license for 10 years, yet rent still dey go on. E believe say digital nomads wey dey earn more money na the real reason wey rent dey high. E say tourist houses help to spread visitors and money reach other parts of the city. According to am, without tourism, Barcelona fit enter serious wahala as e contribute up to 15% of Spain GDP. And the last one for today. After days of back and forth, the burial plans for Zambia ex-president Edgar Lungu don finally settle. Lungu, wey rule from 2015 to 2021, die 11 days ago for South Africa, where dem dey treat am for one serious sickness wey dem no talk publicly. The wahala start after im family talk say Lungu no want make President Hakainde Hichilema come near im body. The two men are political rivals, but now dem don reach agreement wey go allow Hichilema preside over state funeral on Sunday, 22nd June. Lungu family spokesperson Makebe Zulu apologize for the stress wey the delay cause, say dem just dey try respect Lungu last wishes. Government rep Patrick Kangwa, thank people for their patience and beg them make everybody join hand for peace. Lungu lose to Hichilema for 2021 election after 6 years for office. He later try come back, but Zambia court block am say he don already serve maximum 2 terms. Even after that, he still dey active for politics and dey criticize Hichilema steady. And na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.